En el palenque clavado frente a la estancia El Zorzal, cuántas golpeadas de potro que allí se ataron el bocal. Y así salía en corcovos hasta el desarrollo del potro. Y entonces el bocal colgadito en la ramada esperaba por otro. Y entonces el bocal colgadito en la ramada esperaba por otro.
พี่กดถ่ายยังไงอ๋อกดแล้ว
ตั้งตั้งนานไม่กดถ่ายซะด้วย
Corned beef sliced fresh from the brisket. Look at this. We boil corned beef fresh out the pot, steaming hot. The tenderest, the juiciest, the most flavorful. You don't need teeth to eat on this meat, baby. Look at this. The most authentic, classic, old-fashioned Jewish rye you could get. Spongy, moist. Look at this. You can't find better. The most original, traditional, authentic, gourmet classics, handcrafted to perfection. Zoom in on this, please. We say that for every sandwich we make. The best sandwich I ate. That's what every guest says when they dine at D Motown Deli. Look at this. Everyone says we're a blast from the past, only we do it better than ever. The tenderest, the juiciest, the most flavorful. Imagine the corned beef of your dreams. We got a recipe that's going to resonate with everybody. Our corned beef fully embodies the essence of deluxe sandwiches. Oh yeah, baby.
Cultivated hunger, make them all realize climbing, never coming down, breaking to the contents, never falling down. Knees too shaken, like I was thrown, sneaking out the cultivated hunger before you idiots. Knees too shaken, like I was thrown, sneaking out the classroom. Better back up, don't try. Love so worse, don't cry, 'cause you're so right.
It's me